sure what happened here. This is my kind of flat set that I blended, trapped right in the bed. Look at that, kind of looks like a deer track. So maybe it was a deer. I only got 3 more sets to check. Things have been going a little bit slower, but it's supposed to be some rain moving through tomorrow, so maybe that'll get things moving. It's been raining all night. I don't know, probably had, I would think maybe close to an inch. And there's one of my dirt holes, and you can see it's a water hole. But with the steel screen pan cover, my pattern looks perfect still. So that's one of the things that I was going for with those is if that keeps my pattern and my trap operable, then it may be worth using. So I'm liking that aspect. Well, crap, had something here for a short time anyway. See the hair there. Not real sure what that is, but something kept my jaws from closing fully. Maybe they were closed fully. Maybe it just wasn't caught very strong. Either way, not what I'm going for. Well, it's been a slow 3 days on the trap line. Basically a non-existent 3 days on the trap line, which is really disappointing. But the fact that I've only got 14 traps out. I did actually catch a dog day before yesterday. I didn't video any of that. I let him go. Much as I didn't want to, just rural areas, and you get the feral dogs. You know, folks drive down to the end of the road and dump out puppies and whatnot. Things a lot of people don't realize unless you're from the country that happens. That can be really frustrating because those dogs run loose and have, you know, there's been studies showing the effects of feral cats on bird populations, and you know these feral dogs, wild dogs, have impacts too, but they're not as easy to quantify. So we did have one catch over the last 3 days, not spectacular. I had a miss, got a bunch of rain, and so I'm anxious to see. It was late checking traps today because we were visiting family for most of the day, and so we was checking traps in the evening dark instead of the morning dark. But I'm anxious to see tomorrow how most of the sets look after the rain. We got a little over an inch of rain Friday, so see how my screen and all pans out there. But it just goes to show, I mean, all of y'all have felt it. You have those lulls on the trap line, especially when you're only talking about, you know, a 500-acre piece of property. It's, you know, a group of coyotes is going to come through that property in one night, and they may not come back for 3 or 4, 6 or 7 nights. So it's just a matter of timing. I did expect to catch hopefully at least one more gray fox, but anyway, we're going to ride it out, and I know the critters are going to be there. So hang with us. Hopefully we'll be catching some more pigs, and we'll move the hog trap. Been consistently getting pigs on camera coming into bait, so we got good stuff coming. Picked up a big 2,500 acre farm to trap. It'll probably be February before I get on it, but we'll have a sure enough good line out on that one. So ought to have plenty of catches consistently. So I'm really excited about that. So y'all bear with me, stay tuned. I hope y'all's trap lines are going better, and you're spending plenty of time in the skin and shed skin. And the one thing that is kind of a mixed blessing is my freezer is full from my Texas trip. I haven't had time to work on anything, and so I really, if I can catch very much more, I'm gonna wind up shuffling stuff around until I get a chance to do some fleshing. So in that sense, it's kind of, I'm not complaining about not catching anything. I need to take some time and process some fur just to make some room. But anyway, we'll catch y'all on the next go round.